Welcome back mga ka-13. So today we're gonna show you around our Airbnb here in Osaka, Japan. So if you're looking for a place to stay with a Japanese vibe, like a Japanese home feeling, I would highly recommend Coco House. I'll put the link under the description below if you wanna check this place. So here they have steel doors, so very secure. They have double locks. This one, another lock. I'm not sure if this is a mailbox. There, also steel. They also have a designated area for your shoes. It's very important not to bring your shoes in. They have a separate like slippers for indoors. There. So they also have hangers here where you can hang your coats, your caps. And also they have a remote controlled light. Here you can turn it off. There. You can turn it back on. You can actually dim the lights. Alright. There. I want it bright. So just beside the door you'll see a small sink over here. Of course, you have your faucet. They also have an induction cooker. You can actually cook here. They also provide this dishwasher and a sponge. This one is ours. And they have plates, chopsticks, bowls, and cups. They also have like a heater or a broiler, as they call it here. So you can heat up your water because it's winter. It's too cold. And here at the bottom, we actually found the pans you can use for cooking. You also have like a shanse there. You can cook your eggs. You also provide condiments like salt, oil. They also have a free canned good. This is unagi. I want to try it out later. And they have an exhaust fan over there. So this is the dining area, guys. We have 2 chairs, and this is where we eat. This is where we do a lot of editings. They have napkin. They have a mirror, double-sided mirror, and they also have microwave. Yep. And this is where they put the plates and the bowls. So in this area you'll find a water heater here. They also have a tiny fridge there where you can put your Yakult there. And of course they have the spoon, forks, the knife. So in this side you'll see the bathroom. They have towels over here. They have big towels. They have small towels. They also have a hair blower or hair dryer. Let's see the bathroom. There. Just a simple Western bathroom, non-high-tech. So it's just a conventional toilet bowl. You have a mirror over there, you have a sink, and you have a bathtub there. By the way guys, they also have a separate slippers for the bathroom there. So it's very important not to use this bathroom slippers inside the house. They also provide shampoos, I think that's a conditioner, and like a body soap there. And they also have a very cute tiny trash bin there. Look at how small it is. So let's check out the room, guys. So they have a sliding wooden door here. There. Ta-da! Okay. So upon entering the room, you'll see 2 traditional Japanese beds. So we have 1 each. They have 2 pillows, and over here they have a closet for your clothes here, for all of your things. You can put your bags, big bags, luggage below. So over here you'll have a television set, a small, I think this is about 14 inch. They have a tiny figurine. I think this is a fox. Natutulog siya. Cutie cutie. Of course you have the remote for your heater. So inside this room they also have a remote controlled light. There you can change the color to dim light, like so I think that's a yellow light. You can bring it back to the white light. You can also dim it. Yeah, very high tech. And on this side they have a balcony. You can open up this curtain. Yeah. Very maliwanag. You can open this up. Yeah, here's the balcony. You can see a very nice view of the back buildings. There's not much happening here, guys. Over there they have a tiny Zen garden. Very cute. Yeah, during summer you can hang your clothes here. There's also one spot there. So basically that was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Regarding the price range, it really depends on which month you're coming in. For us, we're staying here for a week. It's winter time, so we paid an estimate. This is just an estimate, guys, around $150 for a 5-night stay here in Osaka, Japan. So if you wanna visit or check out this place, just go to Airbnb.com. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. Hit the like button. And if you have comments, don't hesitate to comment down below if you have questions regarding this place. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our other Japan adventure videos. Peace.